Montego Bay recovering after early morning crash. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis. Also this evening, police enforce no expletive rule at Reggae Sumfest, but why some fans were left fuming. And later, water in critical catchment areas getting dangerously low. There's also Saturday Sports Special and weather in this newscast. But please stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.